Alright, so we have here, I've been cutting this gentleman for a very long time now. He used to have waves and he decided to do a perm when he was off in college, and now we're here, but he wants to cut it down short again to remove the straight hair and get it back to his curls.
Protective Services, and it was a little small company, and I got up to the rank of sergeant with that company.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Based off of like work ethic or?
Yeah, and also it was a pretty small company, so there's a lot of room for like promotion.
Yeah. How long you been in school for, bro?
I've been in school for around 9 months now.
Nice. I haven't seen you in 9 months, bro.
Yeah.
Came back with straight hair.
I know. Yeah, I've been checking back into your YouTube channel every now and then. You're growing.
Yeah, bro. I'm at 108K, trying to reach 200 by the end of the year. It's difficult right now, man. I'm trying to get back into the algorithm because before YouTube Shorts, people's attention span was already getting to the point where you have to just hurry up and get to the point. Now with YouTube Shorts, it's even worse. People's attention span is even worse, bro. So with the shorts, people are able to see a little bit of the process and then the end result right away within 60 seconds or less.
Yeah.
In the beginning, I started YouTube in 2015. People wanted to know the beginning of haircutting and what it is to fade and line work, but now it's like, again, like it's the YouTube Shorts. I feel like just doing that for a lot of people. Like if you're not adapting to YouTube Shorts, then you're gonna get left behind, which I'm starting to feel that a little bit, but I'm slowly trying to get back on that grind where I have to adapt to YouTube Shorts. And so I honestly recycle a lot of my old content, and that's been helping because now I got new subscribers, right? People that weren't with me in 2015 to 2017, 2018 are now seeing recycled videos, but it's new to them,
It's Apollo.
You gotta walk into the crib and be like, oh my god, my bag is back.
I can guarantee that's exactly what they're going to say. I can guarantee.
Baby.